Officer Duck. Calling Officer Duck. Officer Duck. Wake up!
Yes, sir.
Go to 817 Gas House Gardens. Pick up Tiny Tom. Bring him in, dead or alive. That is all.
Okay, Chief. Tiny Tom. A little fella. Boy, this is a set.
So what?
That's what.
This is Tiny Tom. Copper!
Beg your pardon, sir. Did you on your arrest?
Oh, yeah? Well, I ain't home, see? Now scram!
This door's for strategy.
Coppers! I hate 'em! I'm coming, Copper! What's this? Dear Tiny, take good care of me kid Spike. Thanks, your old pal Trigger. Gee, Trigger's kid, huh? Sure, anything for me old pal. Lidy-di-di-di-di-di-di. Oh. What's this? Well? Baby toys, huh? Daddy's itty-bitty snooky pie.
Positively humiliating.
Daddy? Oh, gee. He thinks I'm his old man. Sure. Come to Tiny. Careful, you little mug! You fall down and go boom! What's that? Piggy? Oh, sure. Now, this little piggy had a racket, see? And this little piggy had none. This little piggy tried to muscle in. So Tiny went... The kid's got poisonality. I likes it, kid. Pour it on.
Oh, the big draw, baby.
Oh, boo.
Baby, we're doors
taking yous for a ride. Where's the baby?
That's Uncle.
I see yous.
Can you find baby?
Huh? This? Boiny boiny. Oh, okie dokie.
Stand him up.
A copper. Oh, you dirty little double-crossing rat. Oh, no, I ain't got you